Hello, students. I hope you all are fine and safe at your home. Myself, Monica Hassani, and I'm back with your favorite subject, math. I hope you must have revised all the three sessions of chapter 1, that is, where to look from. Today, we will do revision of the whole chapter 1. In this revision session, we will discuss about three topics. The first one is different views of an object. Second one is dots and patterns. And the third one is mirror halves. So, without wasting much time, let's start with the first topic, that is different views of an object. A three-dimensional object can look different from different positions. Mainly, there are three types of views. Here, you can see one picture of a hut. Here, a hut has three types of view as shown in the picture. First one is top view, second one is front view, and the third one is side view. Let's find out all the views of a hut. First one is top view. What you can see when you look at an object or a thing from above is known as its top view. Here in this picture, you can see the top view of a hut which I showed you in previous slide. Next one is front view. What you can see when you look at an object or a thing from its front is known as its front view. So, here we can see the front view of a hut. Next one is side view. What you can see when you look at an object or a thing from its side is known as its side view. So, here we can see the side view of a hut. Let's learn more about the different views of an object. Look at this colorful cube. It is three-dimensional object. Now, we will look from three different directions. We will look at the top view, the front view, and the right side view. Let's get started. How would the cube look if you are looking from the top? We can see this is the top face, which is a red square. Clear? Let's come back to the original position. How would the cube look if you are viewing from the front? We can see its front face, which is a green square. And how would the cube look if you are viewing from the right side? A yellow square, right? Yes. So we have found the top view, the front view, and the right view of a cube. Next topic is dots and patterns. By joining evenly spaced dots, we can make many kinds of patterns. We can make rangoli by using these patterns. My dear students, do you want to learn how to draw rangoli on the dot grid? Yes, let's draw together. Take a paper and draw the dots as shown here and follow the steps. First step. Done? Good. Then, yes, this type. Similarly, here also and here also. Complete? Good. Try to make kite shape. Good. Similarly, here also. It's quite easy. And the similarly here also. See, your rangoli is ready. And the last topic is mirror halves. When symmetry line or dotted line divides a figure or design into equal halves, then those figures are known as mirror halves images. Here you can see some examples of mirror halves images. Let's learn more about mirror halves.
It has line of symmetry when one half of it is the mirror image of the other half. Now let's check whether the line drawn on A is the line of symmetry or not. We take its one half and place it in front of mirror. Wow! Its one half is equal to the other half. This means that this is the line of symmetry.
I hope now you don't have any doubts related to chapter 1 where to look from. You all are supposed to solve your revision worksheet in your notebook as your homework. Kindly try to share your homework with us. Thank you.